you remember that they're changing my voice. In this video series, I'm going to talk about my tactics and arguments versus theirs. I'm going to take it maybe 5 points at a time. We'll see, because they're making it harder for me to articulate myself. Keep in mind, they might change the words on the screen. I don't know. Hopefully they don't. We'll see how it goes. So point number 1. I call on God to punish them and their families and groups. Their tactics and arguments are based around them disgracing themselves with psychology and technology, while downplaying the deeper implications of 189,000 people dying a day. 2, I argue that righteousness is greater than wealth. They argue that they are idiots or that wealth is greater. They often use fake conceptions of righteousness everyone sees through. 3, everywhere I look, I see lives I don't want to live. They argue that they want me to be a Luciferian dog like them and their servant. 4, I argue that rape by deception is evil. They push it and think that it makes them important or great. 5, they increase the punishments of their families and groups. Think about them all being on a boat, right? Where some of them are leading the ship, some are first mate, second mate, what have you. So they're all playing their position, they're all on board. And so it is with everyone in rebellion, and in rebellion in their specific subgroups that are in rebellion. They argue that they won't stop pestering me until I do something I'd never do, which is waste my life, right? So I'm not going to do. That's something that they do and not me. Okay, pretty straightforward.